Guys, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to see that most of you always watch my video. Most of you always come back and watch the video. You know, it's encouraged me a lot to create content for you. Guys, laziness is not good, eh? If you actually wake up in the morning and then you discipline yourself that you'll make money, you'll definitely make money. Even out of dustbin, we can make money. If I can make 250 a day, 10 days, you know how much is 10 days? You make 250 a day. It's a lot of money.
A day is a lot of money. Every day I make it 250.
250?
Yes.
Wow. Most of the decision Donald Trump have been taking is helping Africa. 450 a kilo?
Yeah, the kilo, yes.
Yeah?
And this one is 650.
Subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. Fokou Media, wherever you go.
Guys, good morning. Good morning, guys. It has been raining here in Joburg, guys. It rains everywhere. And you know, you have to wake up in the morning, make sure that you go to work, because these are our days. If you don't go out, no one will help you, guys. You go out for you to make money, you have to take your courage in your hand. Taking your courage in your hand is to walk the way I'm walking now. I have to walk in the rain because actually I have to go and make something. I have to go out there and make some living, guys. If you stay at home, finally you will have nothing. So life is about your discipline. And for this discipline to be implemented, you definitely need to have a courage. What courage do you have? Guys, just check something. Politicians always surprise me. Politicians always surprise me. You know, what is good is that we Africans these days, we actually know what we want as Africans. Yeah, I refer myself to what Donald Trump is doing to Africa. Most of the decision Donald Trump have been taking is helping Africa, because I could see the courage Cyril Ramaphosa took as a president of South Africa. We need to support him. We need to give him an elephant support, because it takes a lot of courage to do what he did. You know, to be able to say to American that you think we got a problem of land reform in my country because we implement something to make our people benefit of their land, our people to get what God actually gives them. Now you're telling us that if we do that, you're gonna stop the aid that you sent to South Africa. If we do that, you're gonna grant asylum to certain people from South Africa in US. Okay, if that's going to be the best for you, we going to tell you also the aid you give to us is not for free, guys. We export a lot of minerals from South Africa to America. There's a lot of American company here in South Africa. So if you stop the aid to South Africa with that misunderstanding, we're also going to stop you to export our minerals. We're going to stop your company in South Africa as well. You know, this is a big courage. If really this can work, I will say that it's a time for Africa. We're actually seeing the light now. Today, you can see that I don't even have my car with me. I don't even have a car. You see, people recycle plastic like this. They recycle plastic like this. It's still money, this thing.
I make it cycling.
How are you guys?
I'm fine, and you, sir?
You're making money. Can I record you?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So what do you do with this recycling thing?
I go to selling.
You go to sell?
Yes.
Those plastic, you sell them as well?
I selling scoop and plastic. That one.
Yeah. How much is a kilo of the plastic?
This one is for 50.
How much?
This one 450.
450 a kilo.
Yeah, the kilo, yes.
Yeah.
And this one is 650.
Okay, so 450 a kilo.
It's 650.
650. What is the difference between the two type of plastic?
It's a syrup. You put like this.
Yeah.
It's a PET. It's a SD. It's a PP.
So you have to keep it till you reach 1 kilo,
Like that.
and then you go and sell it.
Got the more, I must make it more. Too much.
Tell me, how much money can you get on it?
Yeah,
How much can you make a day recycling
A day.
plastic? Yeah,
250.
250 a day.
Yes.
So you can make 250
Yes.
just by
250.
just by collecting plastic.
Yes.
Wow, that is good money, eh?
Man, my brother. That's why you see, I mean, everything.
Oh.
It's too much. The saga.
So you have to. What time did you come out to look for this thing? Is every day or
every day.
every day?
Yeah.
You search plastic.
Yes, I see.
Everywhere in
That's
Joburg?
Yes.
Is it everywhere in Joburg or is it only in Auckland Park?
I go yesterday. You was there, Cremont.
Gremon.
Yes.
You know when
Go
they
to
put
collect.
dustbin?
When the dustbin is coming out. Monday he was coming out the Brixton and another side, but I don't know another side.
Wow. What's your name?
My name is Eric.
Eric.
Odani.
Eric.
Odani, yes.
And then you do recycling business.
Yes.
You make 250 a day. It's a lot of money.
A day is a lot of money. Every day I make it 250.
250.
Yes.
Wow. You know, guys, laziness is not good, eh? If you actually wake up in the morning and then you discipline yourself that you'll make money, you'll definitely make money. Yes. Even out of dustbin, we can make money. If I can make 250 a day, 10 days, you know how much is 10 days? It is. Guys, you had to wake up.
Even I don't selling one day.
Yeah.
If I go Friday,
Yes.
I get more money.
You got more money.
1,000 something.
1,000. And some people are sitting at home doing nothing. Can you imagine?
Yes, my
Ah. Okay, guys. Okay, sure. Some people will sit at home doing nothing. I was saying that you need courage to do anything. Oh, bro, you need a big courage to do all these things. See, this is my brother. He woke up early in the morning in this rain. He go and collect plastic. He collect plastic in the dustbin, in the different dustbin, and then he will take those plastic and then he go to sell. He go to sell every day, and then he say that he can make at least 250 rand a day. 250 rand a day. He gets 250 rand a day. Many people don't make it here just by recycling plastic. So it take courage, it take discipline, determination. You come out there, you make something. Go and do some collection, do something, guys, to make money. Do something to make money, and then you make it. Definitely, you'll make it. Don't just sit down and say there's no money, there's no money. Me, look at now. I'm walking. I'm just walking under the rain. I'm not even having a car with me. But I decided not to stay at home. I don't have a car with me, but I decided not to stay at home because definitely before end of the day, I must make something for a living. If you don't make anything, how are you going to eat? No one will come and give you food. I just wanted to say that life is a lot of courage. If you don't take courage, guys, your life will be terrible. If you don't take some discipline, you're not gonna succeed. No one will come and give you food, guys. But anything can give you money. Anything you do well, anything you take your time to do it, anything you dedicate yourself to will definitely give you money one day. Yes, you just hear from our brother who actually just recycle plastic, and then he can be able to make 250. This video is just to say good morning and to say no matter it's raining, let's go out there and do something. We shouldn't take that advantage of saying that it's raining and then we don't go out and do our thing. I don't care if I arrive at work being wet, as long as I arrive and as long as I make something, because it has been raining here over for 3 days. So if it's rained for 3 days, will you stay at home doing nothing? If it's rained for 3 days, will you sit at home not eating? So that is the question. Most of the place here in Joburg now doesn't have water. I don't know they say there's a technical problem. So some of the station of distribution of water here in Joburg got a problem. So most of suburb doesn't have water, and then I believe they are busy working on it. Yeah, you know, water is life, guys. If you don't have water most of the time, it's like you're not living. Water and electricity, you know, this is life. That's it. Guys, so happy. Please continue to subscribe, continue to support your man. Your support on this channel is very important to me. Keep watching my video. You know, I cannot measure the level of thanks I can give to you guys for your support. Keep supporting Fokou Media. You know, we still have a lot to do, and very soon you will be having another great content like the one you received from Brazil. Just keep watching. Okay guys, just keep watching. I salute you, and then at this level it's almost the end of my journey, as I have been walking. Guys, if you are happy of what I'm doing in this channel, subscribe for more content, subscribe for more amazing content, guys. Yes, my name is Alphonse Fokou. Let me see you another time, yeah, as I'm arrived in my destination.